Sanibonani, Dumelang Absheni. Igama Sakilo Gambata. I'm here today just for a quick video. I wanted to address the issue because this morning I was asked a question. So the issue I want to address relates to Idlozi nesithunywa. The difference between the two, good people. This video is mainly for people who are on a spiritual journey or who are struggling to find meaning on their spiritual paths. So, Idlozi, good people, is someone who passed on and they come back spiritually to do what? To complete a task. That task is either to heal people or to complete a task of doing something, a ritual that has to be done for them. That person comes spiritually. That's why when someone, a Sangoma, goes to Ugyotwasa for initiation, they go there and bavuka idlozi, which means the ancestral spirit that is of that being that once lived on this earth comes to life through that person who is being initiated. And then that's when you have that spirit of Idlozi. So good people, I want you to understand this thing because people are confused. On the other side we have what we call isithunywa. Isithunywa mainly relates to ingelosi. Isithunywa, good people, relates to a spirit that goes along with Christianity, a spirit that goes along with prayer, with church, mainly Apostle, Zion, whether it's even ZCC. That is Tunwa, is that angel that works through the church spirit. So, for example, say my grandmother was in Zion church, for example, and then maybe she passed on, and she comes back to me through Zion church, then she is automatically isithunywa sami, which means now she is being sent by God. Good people, let's break down the name isithunywa. Isithunywa means the one who's being sent. Isithunywa, you are being sent to do something. Isithunywa, uthunyiwe. By who? By God, by your angels, your guardian angels. So that angel is sent to you and automatically takes over you. That's when you have isithunywa. That's when healers use isithunywa. The Idlozi is an ancestral spirit of someone who once lived, a particular person who once lived, and they come back to life through a person. Isithunywa comes back through the church, through spirit of church, inkonzo. Hence we have amajazi, we have iziphika. Those are the ancestral clothings that we wear. So we're using church as what? As a vessel to connect with what? With our ancestors. Whereas Idlozi, you connect directly to that ancestor to say, okay, this ancestral spirit has awoken, has been awoken, and is currently activated and living through that person who might be a Sangoma, Inyanga, for example. So that's how it works. That's how it works, good people. Please don't get it confused. I will share more about this topic, about Amajazi, about Amapai. For all those who want to reach me, you can call me on 062 738 1805. Take care, good people. Bye-bye.